Alright, let's see. What you're doing here is saying district equals Nevada, select language. So I'm wondering, how are you trying to combine them into one? Because they're pretty different queries. Normally, if you're going to combine two queries together, there's something in common. So I don't really see much in common on those queries. You could force these to go together in the form of a union statement, but normally, again, unions would be done, um, as fairly different, or rather related queries. They have some sort of relation. But as long as they're union compatible, you can do it. So, you can do that, but they are union compatible. I was just able to do it. They are union compatible, but the whole philosophy of combining queries is because they have something related to each other. They have something in common. So, which I don't really see in this situation why you would want to combine them, but you can. They are union compatible, so you actually could combine them. The next one here, I think, we already covered. Next question. Lab 5, questions 2 and 3. We covered those already, I think. So we're pretty good on that now. Let's see. And Josie, you did email me a question. Let me go find it. All right. So, Josie, I think I've got your question here. This insert into city. Why doesn't this work? Um, because you can't do it that way. That's not the right syntax, is essentially why it doesn't work. You either have to do it as three different insert statements, which you can do, or you have to combine them in a different way. You can do this, then, and I don't think you actually even want to put the ID in there. I think you want to let cities generate the ID itself. This will let you do 3 different rows. So I think this is probably what you wanted to do. Alright, so now it generated 3 different rows. And there are your 3 rows, and it generated 3 IDs. So yeah, your syntax is slightly off there. That's why that didn't work. Okay. I think those are all the questions I got. Did someone send in a question and I didn't cover it? Or missed it? Let me see. I'm looking to see if there's... Speak now or forever hold your peace. Did you do an insert or a select? I did an insert. I did a select to prove that I did the insert. So here's the insert right there, how it needs to be formatted. And then I did a select afterwards just so that you could see that I actually did the insert. Do you see that, Josie? Let's see. The union example for your 2 queries. I've got them up here somewhere. There they are. You see that? So if you want to do your 2 queries, this would be the solution. Okay, I'm not seeing any more. Uh-oh, what happened? Wait, what happened? I don't see any more questions. Did someone send one and I didn't get it? No? Does anyone have any questions? Okay, talk about the... Do you need to know? Well, you need to know through chapters 11, and the questions, you can find the answers to the questions probably on any of my slides or the book. I think they'll mostly come from the slides. I would say almost all of it comes from the slides, actually, if not all of it. So you should be able to find the answers on the slide somewhere. Be careful with your time because you've only got 100 minutes and there's 50 questions. So that's about 2 minutes a question.